reality is that I look like this, and I'm actually laying and standing on my bed at the same time. I basically just flopped over like you see in the commercial, but yeah, I'm looking great here, so great, and I'm just kind of laying here because I just found another hole. Mix number 4. Construction was not my friend on this roof and the doors and whatnot. So, hole number 4, I think it's plugged for now, temporary. It's just to rain all day today and tomorrow, so we'll see. This is getting kind of old. I think I need to go somewhere. Maybe Florida? No rain? Or is there rain still there? I don't know. Maybe Death Valley. Hope everybody's having a good day. Bye. So the first part of the storm is coming through, and I am going to check and see if the holes are fixed in the van, and then I'm probably going to move it in the driveway and put the tarp on it, because this is just the very beginning of this tropical storm and it's already been raining for hours.